valuation of small and medium enterprises, how would you do it? How it is different with your normal valuation? Remember, ultimately, a medium or small enterprise is also an enterprise, like any other enterprise. So therefore, are there big differences between a big enterprise valuation or the small and medium enterprise valuation? Principally, not much. So number one, not significantly different from any other big enterprise as far as principles are concerned. That is number one that you remember. Number two, DCM method can be used conveniently. And friends, you would have noticed I have been highlighting from the very beginning, everything else is fine, but nothing to beat discounted cash flow method. Whenever and wherever you have to do a valuation, if it is possible for you to do the valuation using the discounted cash flow method, I would very strongly recommend use the discounted cash flow method. Only thing you must ensure that the set of assumptions that you have made for making the financial projections must be as precise, as accurate as possible. Because if you make a mistake in your assumptions, you will make a mistake in your financial projections. If you make a mistake in your financial projections, remember you will definitely make a mistake in your valuations. That is what you need to remember. So in case of a medium or small enterprise, you can use the discounted cash flow method for arriving at the valuation of this entity. Market approach is possible, but it's difficult. And why is difficult? Because it is difficult to find a comparable in case of a medium size and the small size. And why finding out comparable is different? Because as Venkat did mention in the beginning, these small and medium enterprises invariably, generally, are either a proprietary concern or a partnership or an LLP. At the most, it may be a closely held private limited company. And therefore, information about a similar kind of enterprise may not be available in the public domain, and therefore doing the valuation on the market approach basis may be a challenge. I am not saying it's not possible, it may be a challenge. Cost approach can be used in case the company is going for liquidation. So in case if you are looking at the valuation of a small and medium enterprise, and for some reason, whatever it may be, the entity is going in for liquidation, then of course it becomes the cost approach that you will use for the purpose of valuation of this medium or small enterprise. And I'm sure, friends, you will remember when it comes to the cost approach, there is a book value method, but book value method is only theoretically. So if you really want to do use cost approach, then what you should do, you should use the adjusted book value method. And I'm sure you will remember what is adjusted book value method. Adjusted book value method is that you don't take the value of the assets as they appear in the balance sheet, rather you adjust those values based on the current price that you would be able to get. And what all you also need to do when you're doing a valuation of a business on cost basis, never to forget deduct the expenses that you will incur in realization of those assets. And this is how, friends, you will do the valuation of a small and medium enterprise.